Welcome to Sonic Solutions. I'm Ben, the technical manager here. Today we're going to show you how we clean some Knoll filters. These are coolant filters from a CNC machine. Currently, our customer is replacing these filters every 3 months at a cost of around £400–600 per filter. That's a total cost of about £6,000 per year on replacement costs. With a combination of cleaning techniques using jet washing, ultrasonic cleaning, and a little bit of hand scrubbing, we've managed to get these filters fantastic, and the results speak for themselves. After expertly removing all the dirt and debris that are trapped within these filters, including metal particulate and factory dirt, we've managed to save, on average, less our cleaning cost, £4,000 for this customer per year. If the cost of replacement filters for you is thousands of pounds per year, then maybe it's about time you discuss having a cleaning service. If you want a professional cleaning service done by Sonic Solutions, please just give us a call or an email. We'll be happy to run a free trial clean for you. Thank you very much for watching.